Hey, let me ask you a question. Are you wanting to invent a product? Are you wanting to invent a product to sell on Amazon? If you are, something to consider is this. It's costly, it requires lots of contracts, it requires a lot of lengthy discussions, negotiations, potentially patents, potentially what we call tooling costs or mold costs, things like that a lot of people don't really think about. And it's quite also timely, so it can actually take months, 3 months, 5 months, 6 months, even a couple of years to actually get the process right, all right? Now, what are you better off doing? And this is a common question I get often asked is, what are you better off doing? Are you better off actually inventing something brand new, right? Or are you better off jumping on something already existing, already selling, already people are looking for to buy on Amazon? And let me just answer that real quick, right? If someone is trying to invent something brand new, let's say, for example, I've got a scooter here, right? Let's say the scooter here. Now, if I wanted to invent a brand new scooter, a brand new design, right? Never been seen before, never seen, no one's like, oh, wow, this is a great scooter, right? I want to make a scooter with 5 wheels, a Caterpillar scooter, right? Or 100 wheels, right? No one's looking for that. No one's wanting to buy a scooter with 5 wheels. They're searching for a scooter with 2 wheels, right? Why would they want to buy a scooter with 5 wheels, right? So you're better off jumping on something that people are actually looking for. You're better off jumping on something that people are searching for on Amazon right now, because hell, there's going to be a lot more demand for something like for something that is currently out there selling, as opposed to trying to invent something that doesn't exist. And the thing is, when you invent something brand new, people aren't searching for it because of that, it's going to get quite costly to promote it, right? Because you're trying to educate the market on a new or improved product, right? So here's what I suggest. I suggest you jump on something that's already selling, that people are currently searching for on Amazon. So jump on those products, because they're going to be, that's what people are looking for right now. So it's going to be a lot easier to sell them those products as opposed to a product that is brand new. All right. So hopefully that sort of helped out a little bit and shed some light on whether or not you invent something brand new from scratch, or whether or not you jump on something that's already existing. But there's nothing wrong with jumping on stuff that's already existing, because people are looking for it right now. But also you can improve it, you can make it better, you can market it better, you can sell more than your competitors, and you don't need to go through the hassles, the trouble, the time, the cost of inventing a 5-wheel scooter. All right, you could just jump on, say, hey, let's do a 2-wheel scooter, let's make him green, and let's put like little boosters on the end there, right? That's going to be, I'll buy one, all right? You make it, I'll be your first customer, right? Because it's not a big change, but when you start doing like 5, 6 different changes, you're going to need patent costs, trademark costs. There's a lot of other stuff, and it's going to take you potentially 6 months, a year to even get something finalized. So I just wanted to share that with you. Have a fantastic day. Enjoy yourself. If you want to subscribe to some of our online free training, check out our website. The website link is below. I'd love to have a chat with you personally and discuss some ideas with you, all right? Enjoy your day. Bye for now. Talk soon. See you later.
Hey, this is what I'm going to promise you. We are running a live webinar. I would love to see you on the webinar. Here's what you're going to be learning on the webinar. I'm going to reveal 10 products that are currently selling right now on Amazon. I would love for you to see those products. I'm also going to reveal some products that I've been involved in personally as well, with selling these on Amazon. All right, so I'm going to reveal those products to you, and some of these products very, again, light, small, profitable, things that you can brand and build your business around. I'm also going to show you the step-by-step process to getting involved, getting your product listed on Amazon, and I'm also going to reveal strategies to actually getting started in the next 30 days. So I'd love to see you there. This is going to be a great training, and visit our website to find out more information on that. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.